Welcome back to Edutube's blockchain course. This is lecture 29 of module 6, where we explore one of the most exciting and transformative ideas in today's digital landscape, the role of blockchain in Web 3.0. If you've ever wondered how the internet might evolve to become more decentralized, secure, and user-empowered, then you're in the right place. In this lecture, we'll break down the concept of Web 3.0 and reveal how blockchain technology plays a crucial role in making this vision a reality, all explained in simple, everyday language. Imagine the internet as a giant city. In the early days, this city was small and managed by just a few people. Over time, it grew and became controlled by a handful of powerful organizations. Web 3.0 is like the new plan for this city, a plan that gives every resident more control, transparency, and freedom, much like a well-run community where every person has a voice. Blockchain is the foundation of this plan, ensuring that trust, security, and decentralization are built into the very fabric of our digital future. Understanding Web 3.0. Before we dive into the role of blockchain, let's understand what Web 3.0 means. Simply put, Web 3.0 is the next evolution of the internet. It aims to create a decentralized online ecosystem where users, not big corporations, control their own data, identity, and digital assets. Think of it as shifting power from centralized institutions to everyday people. Daily life analogy. Imagine a traditional bank where all your money is stored. You have to trust the bank to keep your money safe and manage your account. Now think of a modern digital wallet that you control entirely. With this wallet, you decide when, how, and where to spend your money, without any intermediary getting in the way. Web 3.0 is that digital wallet for the internet, and blockchain is the secure mechanism that makes it all possible. The role of blockchain in Web 3.0. 1. Decentralization and data ownership. One of the primary promises of Web 3.0 is to give power back to the users. Traditional websites and apps are often owned and controlled by central authorities, meaning that they hold and manage your data. Blockchain, on the other hand, offers a decentralized way to store and manage information. Example: imagine you keep a diary where every entry is written in ink that cannot be erased. That diary is stored in a safe deposit box where only you have the key. Blockchain works similarly by recording data in blocks that are linked together, forming an unchangeable record. In Web 3.0, this means your personal information, transactions, and digital assets are stored in a way that only you control. 2. Trust and transparency. In our current digital landscape, trust often comes from large organizations that act as gatekeepers. Web 3.0 aims to remove the need for these intermediaries by using blockchain to create transparent systems where every transaction or data change is visible and verifiable by anyone. Daily life analogy. Consider a community bulletin board where everyone posts announcements. Everyone in the community can see these postings, and no one can alter them without notice. Blockchain brings this level of transparency to online transactions and data sharing, ensuring that each action is recorded and can be trusted by all participants. 3. Secure digital identity and ownership in Web 3.0. Your digital identity is as important as your physical identity. Blockchain enables you to have a secure, verifiable digital identity that isn't controlled by any single company. This means you can interact online with greater security, knowing that your identity and personal information are protected by cryptographic techniques. Real-life example. Think about how you use a driver's license to prove who you are. In a decentralized web, blockchain acts as your digital ID, ensuring that only you can access and control your information. This also means that you can own and trade digital assets, like art, music, or even virtual real estate, without needing an intermediary to verify authenticity or ownership. 4. Empowering decentralized applications, dApps. Web 3.0 is not just about data and identity, it's also about how applications are built and run. Decentralized applications, or dApps, leverage blockchain to operate without centralized control. This empowers developers to create innovative services that can run autonomously, with rules enforced by smart contracts. Daily life analogy. Imagine a vending machine that automatically dispenses your favorite snack when you insert money. There's no need for a shopkeeper to oversee the transaction. The machine's programming handles everything securely. dApps work in a similar way, where blockchain-based smart contracts automate processes and transactions, ensuring efficiency. 5. Interoperability and open standards. A critical aspect of Web 3.0 is that different systems can work together seamlessly. Blockchain promotes interoperability by establishing open standards that allow different platforms to communicate and share data securely. This openness is essential for building an inclusive digital ecosystem where various services and applications can integrate smoothly. Real-life analogy. Think about how different brands of smartphones can connect to the same Wi-Fi network or share files via Bluetooth. Even though they are built by different companies, common standards allow them to interact. Blockchain's open protocols are like those universal connectors, enabling different parts of the internet to work together harmoniously. 6. Economic incentives and new business models. Blockchain introduces the concept of tokenization, where digital tokens represent ownership, access, or even rewards. In the Web 3.0 world, these tokens can serve as economic incentives, encouraging users to participate in and contribute to decentralized networks. This creates new business models where value is directly shared among participants rather than being captured by centralized companies. Daily life example. Imagine a local co-op where every member earns points for contributing to community projects. These points can then be exchanged for goods or services, fostering a sense of shared ownership and responsibility. Similarly, blockchain tokens incentivize users to support and maintain the network, aligning everyone's interests toward a common goal. How blockchain is shaping the future of Web 3.0. Building a more equitable internet by decentralizing data and granting ownership back to users, blockchain is creating a more equitable internet. This means fewer data breaches, reduced censorship, and a digital world where everyone has a say. In Web 3.0, instead of a few large companies controlling your online experience, you become an active participant in the digital ecosystem, enhancing security and privacy. The cryptographic techniques used in blockchain make data tampering nearly impossible. For everyday users, this means a higher level of security and privacy. Whether it's protecting your financial transactions or safeguarding your personal information, blockchain provides a robust framework that keeps your digital life safe from unwanted interference. Fostering innovation and collaboration. Web 3.0 powered by blockchain is an open playground for developers and entrepreneurs. With fewer barriers to entry and more opportunities to collaborate, innovation can flourish. New decentralized applications are being built every day, offering solutions that range from decentralized finance, DeFi, to social networking and beyond. This dynamic environment promises to drive progress and open up new avenues for growth and creativity. Conclusion. In today's lecture, we've explored the pivotal role of blockchain in shaping Web 3.0. We learned that blockchain is not just about cryptocurrencies. It's the backbone of a new, decentralized internet that empowers users, enhances security, and fosters innovation. By decentralizing control, ensuring transparency, and enabling secure digital identities, blockchain is transforming the way we interact with technology. We examined how blockchain supports decentralized applications, promotes open standards for interoperability, and introduces new economic models through tokenization. Through relatable analogies like comparing blockchain to a secure diary, a community bulletin board, or even a vending machine, we hope you now see that the future of the internet is not as complex as it might seem. It's about creating a fair, secure, and collaborative digital world where everyone can thrive. Thank you for joining me in this deep dive into the role of blockchain in Web 3.0. I encourage you to reflect on how these concepts might change your own digital experiences, from protecting your identity online to participating in a more transparent and secure digital economy. If you found this lecture helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Edutube for more engaging and beginner-friendly content on blockchain technology. Stay tuned for our next lecture, where we will continue exploring the transformative trends that are shaping the future of our digital world. Happy learning and see you in the next